Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting everything ready: patch kit, rubbing alcohol, cloth, marker, and soapy water. Inflate the mattress to roughly 70% so you can hear or see leaks. This level makes bubbles visible without stretching seams. Move slowly and press along seams while spraying or brushing soapy water over sections. Once you see bubbles, stop and mark the spot with your marker. You need a clear target. Make sure the area around the hole is accessible and dry before you proceed to cleaning. You now clean and prep the leak area so the adhesive bonds. Use rubbing alcohol on a cloth and wipe the spot thoroughly. Let it air dry for 2 to 3 minutes so no moisture remains. If the surface is shiny, lightly roughen it with the sandpaper from the kit. This helps the glue adhere. Trim any loose material and choose a patch that overlaps the hole by about 1/2 inch all the way around. Apply adhesive to both surfaces when instructed by the kit. You spread the adhesive thinly and evenly, then place the patch over the hole, pressing from center to edges to push out air. Hold firm for 60 to 90 seconds so the bond sets. Make sure no wrinkles remain. Once applied, allow the full cure time recommended by your kit, typically 15 to 30 minutes before stressing the area. After curing, fully inflate and spray with soapy water to confirm no bubbles. If you still see bubbling, remove the patch and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.